Yo, what up, squad? All right, so we're back for that number one reason in episode 3 here why I personally decided to go ahead and make the switch over to the eero Max 7 router here, man, which is a Wi-Fi 7 router. And if you've been following through this series here, shout out to all of y'all who have, man. And if you're new here and you missed episode 1 and 2, then I have links for that right up here you guys can check out, as well as down in the description section below. But enough of all of that, man. Let's go ahead and let's get to that number one reason, man, why I decided to go ahead and make the switch over to the eero Max 7 and why you guys should too. Let's go. And to me, the number one thing or the reason why I made the switch, which kind of talks to number 2, and that is a solid app design that is so good, which makes it just easy to be able to see all of your devices that you guys have connected to your network and which one of those routers is each device also connected to. You can easily create guest networks within here. You can see your weekly activity. You can add more routers. You can restrict different devices, restrict different applications within your space, or even just add or remove routers. And another thing that I actually peeped that you can do in there is if there's ever a reason why you need to do so, you can actually restart the router all from the app. So remember those days like with the standard routers, you have to like literally go up to it, unplug it, wait for a little bit, and then plug it back in for it to do kind of like that restart or that reboot? Well, listen, you don't have to do that with this one, man. You literally just go into the app, right? You just tap on the router, you tap on the 3 dots in the right-hand corner, you press restart router, and then you just let it do its thing. Like I said, y'all, like it's seamless. This is back to the theme. But overall, man, in my opinion, in this first series here, I hope I gave you guys enough information for you guys to strongly consider you guys even just thinking about switching to a Wi-Fi 7 router, especially this router right here, because there's just so many benefits to Wi-Fi 7, which I'm not going to touch on and go too deep in this video right here. I just really wanted to introduce you guys to this company right here and why I made the switch. And when it comes to speeds with this router right here, like you guys have seen, like before I was only getting like maybe 150 megabits per second download as well as my upload speeds. But now that I made the switch, like my home Wi-Fi speeds, again, these are Wi-Fi speeds are insanely fast that you guys are seeing right here up on the screen. Like I'm legit over here getting hardwired in speeds over Wi-Fi, which is just, it's just crazy to me. And y'all gonna see the power when I hook up that PC, which is another benefit because now I can actually eliminate the need of running crazy long Ethernet cables all throughout my home, which just messes up the decor. But yeah, man, I just really wanted to get on here and put this product here in front of you guys and let you guys know that I have made the switch for my gaming devices and everything within my home, and I do not regret it one bit. And I do want to preface, and to be fair, your speeds will also vary based on the speeds that you're able to get from your ISP or your internet service provider, whether it's AT&T, Verizon, or i3 Broadband, or whoever you guys actually use that are out there. But what I'm saying is having a device like this that's actually going to take that signal that you're getting from your internet service provider and basically max it out to what you can potentially get within your home is a must-have in my opinion. Well, I hope you guys learned something new in this video here that made you guys want to actually research more about the eero Max 7 as well as other benefits that Wi-Fi 7 can offer. And if it did and you guys like this video and you like the vibe that I'm giving over here, man, then go ahead and click that like button down below. And if you guys are new here, then go ahead and join the family by hitting that subscribe button, man, as we on our way of hitting that 200,000 subscriber mark by the end of this year. And with y'all help, I know we can get there, because wouldn't it be crazy like gaining 100,000 subscribers in a single year? Like, I mean, it's insane, y'all. It's just as fast as this router. Now I'm gonna keep gaming on this router here, man, and when I set up my PC, man, you guys are gonna be seeing a whole lot more of me talking about this router here on the channel and just showing off some of its abilities when it comes to gaming and just live streaming in general. So if you guys wanna pick one up for yourself and try it out, man, which I highly recommend you guys do, and see the changes that it makes in your gameplay, then go ahead and check out the links that I have for you guys down in the description section below. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Squad, we out.